This is my only warning. Terry, don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, let's do it. Terry! It's coming! It's coming!
Son, hold my beer.
There it goes, onto the fucking house. Onto my fucking house, guys. Onto my fucking house. Onto my fucking house. Well, I don't know where I'm living now. Great.
Playing a game of whack fuck here. Whack! Jeremy's making his back cut in this big oak tree top, and we're gonna be done for today. Holy fuck! Dude, just pulling the camera off.
Better call Paul. Yeah.